In this video, I'll show you how to add a website to Microsoft Teams so you can access important tools and pages without leaving the app. Start by opening Microsoft Teams and choosing the team and channel where you want the website to appear. At the top of the channel, click the plus icon to add a new tab. From the list of available apps, select Website. Enter the name you want to give the tab, then paste the website URL you want to add. After that, click Save. The website will now appear as a tab inside the channel, allowing everyone in the team to open and use it directly from Microsoft Teams. This is especially useful for shared dashboards, internal tools, or frequently used web pages. If the site doesn't load properly, make sure it allows access from Microsoft Teams and doesn't block embedded content. You can also try opening it in a browser to confirm the link is working. Adding a website to Teams helps keep your work centralized and reduces the need to switch between apps. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other Microsoft Teams tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.